Problem 13 asks us to plot points to graph this equation. Now look at this. There's no x here. We've encountered this before earlier, I think in the last section. But this equation is independent of x, so it doesn't matter what x is. X could be any value. What is y? Y is always negative 4. So no matter what we choose for x, y is negative 4. So choose anything for x. Now maybe x is 0. Now if I chose that point, I would get 0, negative 4, which would graph right here. Let me see if I can get it. 0, negative 4, right? No horizontal, down 4 on the vertical. Now, choose another point. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to get too close because it's kind of hard to draw a line if all those points are tight. So maybe I'll choose like 3 or 4. So what happens now if I choose 3? Doesn't matter what I choose because there's no x here. So whatever x is, y is negative 4. So in this case, if I go to the right 3, I'll go down 4. So do that. Go to the right 3, down 4. That gets us right here. And then I'll choose another one, like maybe I'll choose negative 6. Oh, let me use the same color here. So I'll use a negative 6. Now, anything you want. I just happen to pick negative 6. But there's no place to put negative 6 up here. And it doesn't matter, because no matter what I choose, y is negative 4. So I get this point, negative 6, negative 4. And that's going to graph, all right, 6 to the left, down 4. So that's going to be, if I can count this right, it's going to be here. And then with my straight edge, I'll try to put that on here so I don't move everything. And I'll get this line right here. I get a horizontal line. So now you know that when you have something like y equals, and then you get some number over here, what you get is a horizontal line running through that number. So just to push that point a little bit more, what if we had this equation here? Y equals negative 5. So I've got this form here, right? Y equals some number. So I can get a horizontal line passing through negative 5 on the y-axis. So if I graph this, y and x, I'd go down, locate negative 5, and then I would draw a horizontal line passing through that negative 5. Now, 14 is similar to 13, but 13 had y equals something. Now what we've got is x equals, so let's write it, x minus 6 equals 0, but when I solve it for x, I get x equals 6. And there's no y here. So this equation here is independent of y. Doesn't matter what y is. No matter what y is, x is 6. So I can go back up here and I can put 6's into each one of these x's, and then it doesn't matter what y is. So let y be anything you like. How about 0? So at 6 and 0, where are we? Well, we're to the right 6, up or down 0. So we're right on the x-axis at 6, 0. That's going to be right here. Can you see it? To the right 6. Let's get it here. Come on now. To the right 6, and then no vertical. Now pick another one. I don't want to get too close, so I'll pick a y that's a little bit far away. Like maybe I'll pick, say, 4. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the right. Now see, there's no place to put that 4. And it doesn't matter, because no matter what I choose for y, x is 6. So here's a point, 6, 4. So to the right 6, up 4. To the right 6, up 4. Let's plot it. To the right 6, up 4 is here. And let's get one down below. How about if we use, say, negative 8? Oh, I'll even use the same color all the way through here. Negative 8. So this is going to give us this point, 6, negative 8. So I'm going to go to the right 6, down 8. So to the right 6, down 8. That's going to put us down here. Now, these points, as you can see, lie on a vertical line. I'll pass a line through those points. Almost got it. So what you can see here is, if we're going to generalize, if you have x equals some number, what you get is a vertical line through that number. So just as another quick example, what if you had x equals negative 2? Here's x, Here's y, there's the origin, and x equals -2. Now you've got this, right? X equals some number, no y's, is a vertical line passing through -2 on the x-axis. So I would draw a vertical line passing through -2.